Hello everybody, hope you are all doing very well and welcome back to another technical analysis where in today's video I'm going to be covering Ethereum, Bitcoin and the stock market after a brilliant Monday of trading. You all know Monday is my favourite day of the week. Why? Because we have the stock market open, we have the cryptocurrency volatility and I've had the weekend to plan out my trades. So I really love Monday and today has lived up to its expectation of giving us that volatility across all markets. Okay. So yeah, with that said, let's jump straight into Ethereum here. And I do want to cover the giveaway that I'm doing at the end, so stay tuned for that, where I'm going to link this into a question and answers as well. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this, and I'll cover that at the end of the video. So thank you, everybody. So yeah, here on Ethereum, obviously Ethereum and Litecoin were the lead bulls, in my opinion, over the last month, okay? We obviously had the Ethereum runs along with Litecoin, both of them running, and then Bitcoin following suit and following the lead bulls of Ethereum and Litecoin. And now it seems that it's switched around and Ethereum and Litecoin are the lead bears, okay? Obviously we had this very bearish price action over the last few days on Ethereum, okay, just being dragged down totally, obviously breaking support today and, you know, moving down. Where did we find support? Actually extremely nicely here on the the golden pocket. You know, that's a perfect bounce off of the golden pocket here, combining with this horizontal support. Okay, so we obviously had the golden pocket combined with these horizontal supports. Okay, so there was big support here for Ethereum, so that's why you get a short term, you get this bounce off of this level. Okay, so that's what's going on here, just finding support very nicely off the 126, you know, for really down to 125 psychological up to this 618 golden pocket. That was a big support level that Ethereum's holding. That's from the fibs taken on the low on the 6th of February up to the high on the 24th of February. Okay, those fib numbers, we had the golden pocket, we had horizontals holding support psychologically of 25 as well. Okay, so obviously we did find that bearish price action being held down by the daily 8 and 12. You can just see how price could not get above the 8 and 12 exponential moving averages. Okay, so that's a big bearish sign there. You know, price just unable to close at all, being held down. Bounces were getting weaker and weaker and weaker. You know, ends by a sell-off. Where did we find support? On the golden ratio. Okay. Bitcoin's not looking as bad, okay? So obviously Ethereum did take a quite a steady but big move down today. Okay, but obviously Bitcoin held lower support. Okay, so we look at Bitcoin here and let's zoom into the 1 hour chart. You know, we see Bitcoin obviously holding the bottom support that it had during that sideways range on the 27th of Feb. Okay, obviously holding 3,640 here. So lower support is still holding on BitMEX. Okay, so that's it. You know, that's how you can distinguish between the two. Obviously, Ethereum more bearish than Bitcoin, which is held support. Okay. So that's just something to note there, that Bitcoin held support, Ethereum and several different altcoins obviously lost their support levels today. Altcoins get destroyed. But there were some nice opportunities to play certain alts. Okay, certain alts did get very nice bounces today. Okay, so there were opportunities to play bounces. But yeah, my whole focus of the majority of the day from 2 o'clock was the stock market. I went heavy on it today because depending on how much you follow me in Discord and stuff, I'm not sure because I don't really speak about it too much here. But obviously over on Discord, I have the whole section of the stock market, which I actively I go into occasionally and say what I'm doing. And if you were aware of what I was doing in that, I took a short. Okay, I took a short last week when we hit 2,812. Okay, so this is on the S&P. Okay, SPX market, S&P 500. Okay, I took a big short, a very big short at 2,812. And what happened here? Let me just zoom in and show you all because I added to this and it's worked out beautifully, beautifully. Okay, what happened here? We moved up to 2,812 and I took a big short because I thought we were going to be coming down for this C wave. Okay, what happened today was just amazing. So obviously the region that we're looking at of 2,812, where I originally took my short position here, was offered a 786 Fibonacci, and also on, we have the really strong horizontal region at this level as well. So there's a confluent reasons for me to open the short originally. But what happened today on the stock market here, or the S&P 500? Oh, my mouse is so glitching. Okay, we obviously moved up, and today we come back down. We found support off the 55 exponential moving average on the hourly. Okay, on the hourly 55 EMA, price came down in an ABC here, finding support. Okay, really did find support of 55 for another bounce. But what happened today? Let me show you. It was absolutely beautiful. Really beautiful. Price come up again. price came up again to take out the highs, okay, took out the highs, ended on this doji spinning top candle, okay. Not just that, we had massive bearish divergences across the board. RSI, you know, here price forms a higher high, you know, you get a higher close here, higher high on price, bearish divergences across the stochastics, the RSI and the histogram and the MACD lines themselves, okay. We had bearish divergences across the board on what was already a massive resistance level, okay, and that was ding 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 in my ears, and you know, adding into a big short here, and obviously that's paid off very nicely. Wasn't expecting such a rapid sell-off, but you know, I was happy to see the rapid sell-off that occurred with those bearish divergences on the resistance, you know, perfect. And then we obviously have seen this massive sell-off that occurred, okay. This is billions, this is such an amount of money that you're losing here, okay. It might not look a lot when you compare it to cryptocurrency, but it is millions, billions of pounds coming out here, okay. Obviously, price finding support again at the 100 moving, you know, 100 exponential moving average on the 1 hour chart. Okay, I just want to zoom out to the 4 hour chart and show you something here if you're interested in the S&P. Obviously, this has happened before where we saw price where it came up slightly above the 6.5 before, you know, price came down heavily, and on the 4 hour found support on the 26 exponential moving average before it obviously recovered. So that's why I've took a percentage of profits here on the 26, because just to protect myself, although I still am bearish on this. You can just see here how price come up, found support of the 26 exponential moving average on the 4 hour and did continue. Okay, so today again, I took a percentage here. I've not closed out my short by any stretch of the means, but took a percentage of profits on the 26 again, just in case, basically just to protect myself if we do come up again. Okay. So that's how I'm seeing that. But for me, I am still bearish on this. But just, you know, you want to recognize signs of when to take profits. And for me, you know, seeing what happened last time, this was a big sell-off in the time as well, obviously gapping down, coming down on the 26, but did find support there. And I mean, longer term, over the last few months, there's definitely bullish momentum still here, but we are reaching massive support levels. But today, when I saw, you know, when I was already on this, I've been itching to long the VIX and my obviously the volatility index, and my time come today. I actually took a long on it last week as well. And then today it made a lower low, and yeah, I took another long on that, and that was up about 25%. Okay, 25% long on the profits off of the VIX market. Yeah, lovely. Also, I shorted Boeing. I like to trade Boeing. Square, I took a short in as well, which actually didn't work out so well. My Square short did not work out well, so I lost on my Square short, but obviously won massively on the S&P, Boeing, and the volatility index. So I did lose out on that Square short, but up on the day massively. So you don't win every trade. That's important to realize. You don't win every trade as a trader. As long as you get more wins than losses, it's fine. But look at this on the VIX. That is absolutely massive. Okay, that is a massive bounce. Okay, 27% in total. Just crazy. Crazy. But this is one that I've been, I'm not sure, I don't know how much you will follow me in the stock market, but, I've been itching to long this, as it was, obviously it came down, and on the weekly, it looks even worse. Look at this on the weekly. Okay, just absolute sell-off here, ended with, inverted hammer followed by a nice move up. Just really nice. Yeah, and I'm happy about the volatility index. So it's one of the ones that I love to trade because, you just get these sudden 20% moves out of nowhere. Okay, so you're just grinding down, and it's going to come. It's just getting in at the right time. Here obviously when you sort of see at the time the volatility index wasn't up high at this time, when you had just formed a higher, obviously moving up on the high with the massive bearish divergences. You want to get in before the pump, okay. And yeah, then the pump ensured with this downwards movement. So it was just a perfect day trading the stock market. Okay, and this is like not hard technical analysis. This is really easy technical analysis. Literally just bearish divergences coming down to 100 exponential moving average, 26 on the 4 hour chart. Like not hard at all. And you just need to know what you're doing with the volatility index and know when to long at the right time. And it's really, it's not difficult. Okay, so that was a good day of trading overall. Yeah, really enjoyable. And then going back to cryptocurrency. I know most of you follow me on cryptocurrencies, so that's why I cover it a bit more. But obviously found support on this I'm mainly concentrating on Ethereum because for me it's the lead bull or bear right now. But obviously Ethereum coming down on that golden pocket, finding really nice support on the 6.5 there. Obviously now finding support again off of the 12 exponential moving average. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind. What I wanted to do with this video was, where is it? Here we go. On Twitter, obviously, I'm doing the giveaway, and this is going to be on Friday. So write it in if you would like your calendars. So it's going to be on Friday the 8th, and I will do this about 7 p.m. I'm going to start at about 7 p.m. So Friday the 8th at 7 p.m. I'll be doing the giveaway. So this will be randomly generated. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing a number between like 1 and 97, or how many entries we have in the total at the end by Friday. 1 and 97, and randomly generate a number, and then whatever person is selected. How do I might need someone to suggest me a better way. I don't know how I can see all 97 people, because this isn't 97. Okay, someone might have to let me know how to do a nice retweet. That's what I was going to do, randomly generate a number between 1 and 97. Whoever that was on the list wins. Maybe I can find a better way, but yeah, it's all just going to be randomly done at the time, so totally random selected, and this is going to be done on Friday the 8th. And just to say a really massive thank you, today obviously I had the video that I uploaded earlier was my most disliked video ever. I had a lot of people hating on the video. All I tried to do was upload a educational video of Elliott waves, just helping people understand how to do complex counts. It was a very complex count. I thought I was helping by doing this, and people were extremely annoyed by me uploading a Elliott wave count, which was not my primary count. I found it remarkable that people could complain about that when it's just educational content, but yeah, just remarkable. But I know the majority of you, that's why I wanted to do the giveaway, because the majority of you are really big supporters, really big fans, I guess, or you find this content helpful. And for me, my motivation is helping all of you. Okay, if with the motivation that I get from the comments, the majority of comments of people saying that I'm really helping them, that I'm changing their lives, that they're learning so much through me, that they've made money through me. It's that's my motivation to keep going, and that's why I want to give back, to say thank you with this giveaway, which obviously the main prize is going to be the one-on-one coaching, which is going to be extremely beneficial for the guy that wins, I know. So yeah, I just wanted to give back, and just know that I do know the majority of you are very supportive, and for me it's my motivation to keep going with this content, bringing you the content, because yeah, it makes me really, really, really happy to read it all. So yeah, that's my motivation, and that's what we're going to be going over on Friday at 7 p.m. the giveaway. And I want to also make this into a question and answers session, okay, a public sort of question and answers for you all. So what you can do is, on this video below on the YouTube comments, just write a comment of a question, and I will get back to you. Obviously, if I have loads of questions, then I'll do the highest thumbed up. So if you read a comment that you would like, or you would also have thought about asking the same, just thumb it up. Just give a thumbs up if you read a comment that you like, and I will take the highest voted comments, I guess, if I get a lot. If I don't get a lot, then I'll just obviously work through the ones. Or if you want to leave a comment on Twitter, then just leave a comment on Twitter. But it's probably easier on YouTube. In the description below, leave a comment, and that Friday giveaway session will be also a question and answers, and a nice just a community sort of spirit where we can come together and celebrate 5,000 followers, which for me was a massive achievement. That really does make me happy to know that I can have this reach of helping more people. For me, it's never expected it, and made me extremely happy. So you'll know that I really appreciate you and I respect you all. So thank you so much, honestly. And yeah, I'm happy, and I'm feeling good, and ready to make some more money on crypto and the stock market now. So yeah, hope you all enjoying the educational content, and I'll catch you in the live stream, which is going to be Friday the 7th. And leave a comment if you would like to be seen in the question and answers. With that said, I'll go and upload this video now and get back to some trades. So thank you everybody so much. Cheers. Bye.